A Kansas man escaped from a sexual treatment center, and now authorities throughout the state are on the lookout. Lisa Benson has the story. Lisa?
In 1998, Bruce Franklin Burns was convicted of indecent liberties with a child in Wyandotte County. Yesterday, he escaped from his treatment facility. The Larned State Hospital is the largest psychiatric hospital in the state of Kansas. It also houses a sexual treatment center for convicted sex offenders like 41-year-old Bruce Franklin Burns, who escaped Wednesday.
They counted the number of patients in the program and identified that Mr. Burns was not present in the program. They alerted law enforcement officials.
Steve Mock is the director of communications for the Kansas Department of Social and Rehabilitation Services, the agency that oversees Larned. Mock says Burns served prison time for a 1998 conviction of aggravated criminal sodomy of a child. In 2009, after serving his prison sentence, Burns was admitted to the Larned State Hospital as a violent sexual predator. Sex offender and fellow Larned patient Mark Brule says Burns has been planning his escape since he arrived.
We're not shocked at all. Generally, these people that escape make it very clear that they're going to escape and they're waiting for the opportunity. I'm not shocked at all.
Mark Brule spoke with NBC Action News back in November and called the newsroom after Burns' escape. He says Burns was outside taking part in a Native American ceremony just minutes before he left the facility.
They took him out there, and then when they brought everybody back in, they did not account, the staff member did not account for the resident, Frankie Burns.
I do know that Mr. Burns was participating in that activity prior to his escape.
Mock believes Burns crawled underneath the fence to escape. He wouldn't speculate on where Burns could be headed, but he did say,
"We do consider him potentially dangerous as someone who's escaped from a secure facility." So, we're obviously very concerned.
Now, Burns is the second patient to escape from Larned Security in the past 16 years. Now, back in August, 62-year-old George Dudley escaped from the Wyandotte County courthouse. Dudley was in custody 24 hours after that escape. Reporting live, Lisa Benson, NBC Action News.